Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're hopping to land your next job or internship and want a standout CV that's both professional and eye-catching, but don't want to mess around with complicated design software, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a great-looking CV using Canva step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a polished, personalized CV ready to share with employers, all without any stress or design headaches. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head on over to Canva.com. Canva is a fantastic, user-friendly platform. Whether you're a design pro or a complete beginner, you'll feel right at home here. And if you haven't already, you can sign up for a free account in just seconds. Once you're inside Canva, look near the top right for the Create a Design button. Give that a click and then in the search bar, type in CV. Don't worry if you see similar options like Resume, they are essentially the same thing. From here, you'll see different size suggestions pop up, such as A4 or US letter. Choose the one that matches where you're applying. A4 is standard in most countries outside the US, while US letter is common in America. Picking the right size matters, because you don't want your beautifully crafted CV to get cut off or look odd when printed or emailed. Next up, Canva will show you a huge collection of professional CV templates. Now this is where things get fun. Scroll through the options until you find one that matches your style and the job you're after. Maybe you're after something sleek and classic for a corporate role, or you want a pop of color for a creative field. There's truly something for everyone. Take your time here. Picking the right template is like choosing the perfect outfit for an interview. It sets the tone for how your information will be received. Remember, your CV is the very first impression most employers will get, so it's worth choosing carefully. Once you've found a template that speaks to you, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the editor, where you can start customizing every part of your new CV to make it uniquely yours. Double-click on any text box to swap out the sample info with your own, your name, your contact details, your education, and experience. Don't be afraid to delete sections you don't need or add new ones that showcase your strengths. For example, you might want to highlight volunteer work, certifications, or special skills. Canva makes it really easy to move things around, change colors or fonts, and even add your own profile photo if you'd like. If you get stuck at any point, just pause and remember, you can always change things back, so feel free to experiment until you're happy with how everything looks. Once all your information is in and you're satisfied with the layout, take a moment to give your CV a final once-over. Spelling and formatting count for a lot. It's a good idea to ask a friend to review it or just step away for a few minutes and look at it with fresh eyes. When you're ready, hit that download button in the top right corner. You can choose PDF for a crisp, professional look or select another format if you need something specific for an online application. And that's it, you've just created a polished CV in Canva. I hope this guide helped you feel confident about building a CV that truly represents you. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, drop any questions you have down in the comments. I read them all, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials. Good luck with your job search, and I'll see you in the next video.